Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for cinnamon swirl cookies. These are really delicious, so let's get started. We start out with our ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup or 60 grams of melted butter. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter. Cream in the sugar, beat in the eggs, beat in baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix in flour. The dough should be a thick cookie dough. In a separate bowl, combine brown sugar, a dash of salt, and cinnamon. I absolutely love cinnamon, so I had 2 tablespoons of it, but if you don't like it quite as strong as I do, you can only use 1 tablespoon. Stir in melted butter, press down the cookie dough and spoon the cinnamon mixture onto it. Fold together, but you don't want them to completely combine. Leave streaks. Roll into balls about a tablespoon at a time on a lined baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. These gorgeous cinnamon swirl cookies are soft and lovely. They have a very strong cinnamon flavor, and I think I ate nearly the whole batch single-handedly. I can highly recommend. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.